I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. This video I have prepared specifically for Capricorns because during the month of March, Saturn is going to transit in Pisces, due to which the Sadesati period on Capricorn is going to end. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss the entire phases of Sadesati, how it has impacted your life during the past 7.5 years, and now what will happen when Sadesati will end, that is after month of March. Saturn Sadesati, which is 7.5 year karmic phase, which is known for its intense lessons, challenges and transformations. Capricorn, which is ruled by the Saturn itself, has been undergoing this phase, that is Sadesati, since 2017, and it is finally set to an end in the year 2025 and in the month of March. Now let's first understand its impact on your career when it was started in the year 2017. During this period, many Capricorns faced job instability, career instability, job losses, financial setbacks, and unexpected financial burdens. During this period, your hard work went unnoticed, promotions were delayed, and your mental stress increased due to such delay in promotion or getting the fruits of your hard work. If we talk about your relationship and family matters during this period, it was also got impacted a lot. During the first phase of Sadesati, that is after the year 2017, many faced misunderstandings, breakups and marital disharmony. Capricorns who got married during that particular period may have faced a lot of issues in the initial period of their married life. It was really hard for them to cope up and to stabilize their married life because of the instability in their career as well. It was a period of self-reflection and emotional isolation which impacted your personal life a lot. If we talk about your health during this particular period, this period created a lot of sleep disorders, frequent headaches, anxiety and chronic fatigue as well. Many Capricorns must have faced mental and physical exhaustion due to overworkload and stress. If we talk about the phase 2 period of Saturn Sadesati on Capricorn, that is from 2020 to 2023, when Saturn entered into Capricorn itself, and the impact of Saturn Sadesati was at its peak. If we talk about your career during this particular period, hard work was doubled but rewards were less, due to which your mental stress remained the same. On the other hand, many Capricorns must have started any new project or new businesses during this particular period because of the Saturn transit in Capricorn. Many Capricorns must have changed their job as well due to dissatisfaction in their job and were not getting the fruits of their hard work in their previous jobs. Financial instability, we can say, or financial stability was become a challenge due to unexpected expenses during this phase. If we talk about the relationship and family during this period was a period of realization and cutoffs. That means lot of Capricorns must have cut off from relationships. There were also chances that during this phase you must have faced challenges with your family members, whether that was your brother or sister. During this period, married life faced lots of ups and downs. You must have faced mental stress in your marital life as well. In the relationship, Capricorns must have faced betrayals as well. You must have faced some toxic relationships, and some must have faced struggled in partnerships. If we talk about the health during this particular period, Saturn must have created some joint pains, bone related disorders due to heavy workload. There are also chances that Capricorns must have faced cervical spondylitis or backbone related issues. Some Capricorns must have taken this as a challenge and must have changed their daily routine, and they must have learned this lesson that you should focus on your health and prioritize your health before moving forward in life. This phase was all about breaking illusions and focusing on reality. During this phase, Saturn must have taught you the biggest lessons of life, due to which you will move forward and will achieve your goals in life. Now let's come to the third phase of Sadesati, which has started in the year 2023 and will end in the month of March itself in 2025. So this can also be termed as the final lesson before any freedom. During this phase, Saturn transited to Aquarius, which is also the Mool Trikona sign of Saturn. Whatever hard work you have done during the past 30 years, 25 years, 20 years, Saturn will judge that hard work during this phase. Those who worked hard must have seen some rewards of Saturn. Also, all the illusions from your mind got washed up by Saturn here. Capricorns during this phase must have seen some job stability, career stability, also must have got some promotions in their job. People who are into businesses must have seen some stability in their business. Also, few Capricorns must have started new ventures, or there are also chances that few Capricorns must have changed their entire profile, whatever Saturn has guided you. This profile will give you a very good opportunities in the coming years. If we talk about your financial burdens, then the Saturn Sadesati last phase must have reduced that. You must have seen some stability coming related to your financial matters. If you have taken some loans during the past 7 years, 8 years like that, and you are not able to repay that, then this phase, that is the last phase of Sadesati, must have given you some relief in that. You must have learned some lessons about your financial management as well. You must have started doing some investment during this particular phase, which was not happening during the past many years. If we talk about your relationships and family matters, all the emotional hardships began to heal during this particular phase. People who were struggling to manage their marital life were now able to, or were now trying to stabilize their married life. People who are facing challenges in their relationship matters have learned how to manage the relationship. Saturn last phase of Sadesati must have given you lessons how to act like a matured man, how to handle your relationships. If we talk about your health, then the last phase of Sadesati was a period of self-healing. The lessons which you have learned during the past 5 years will help you in the coming years. That means how to handle the worst situation when it comes to health. Now, you must have seen the stability related to your health issues as well, specifically to those who are suffering from bone related issues or joint related issues. People who have been suffering from insomnia or sleep disorder as well, they must have learned how to do meditations, due to which how to get rid of these issues, which must have given them a stable mind, and must have learned how to take proper decisions at the right time. Saturn's lesson here reshaped their mindset, making them more practical and emotionally strong. Now let's discuss what is going to happen when Sadesati will end during the month of March 2025. Now the time has come when Saturn is about to leave the Aquarius and will enter the Pisces in March 2025. If we talk about your career and financial matter, then whatever hard work you have done during the past 30 years, 25 years, that will give you reward here. The reward which you are going to get from Saturn solely depend upon the hard work which you have done during the past many years. You should remember that. People or professionals who have made excuses during the past 7.5 years, 10 years, 15 years, then Saturn is going to reward them accordingly. So don't expect something unexpected from Saturn. If you have done hard work only for 5 hours, 4 hours like that, and you are making excuses in your professional life, then Saturn will give you reward for that only. Once the Sadesati period will end, you will see new opportunities are opening for you. There are also chances that even now, when Saturn is still there in Aquarius, you must have observed that new opportunities are automatically coming to you, which were not expected by you. And these opportunities will decide your coming future. Many Capricorns will see salary hikes, promotions, new opportunities in their businesses in the coming years. All the mental burdens related to your financial matter will start resolving here. You will see a financial stability in the coming year. Capricorns will become masters in financial management and will grow their money like anything. During the past 7.5 years, you have learned the lesson how to manage your finances, how to utilize every penny you have earned. You will avoid unnecessary expenses during the coming years. What lessons Saturn has taught you during the past, specifically 7.5 years. If we talk about the relationship matters, then you will see stability in your relationships. There are also chances that if you are planning to get married during the past few years and you are facing some challenges in that, then that will start resolving here. All the issues related to your relationship matters, all the issues in your marital life will start resolving, because your stability in your career will increase. You will see stability in all aspect of your life. Family disputes will start resolving automatically. If you talk about your health, then the coming years will be a very positive period for your health. Capricorns will feel mentally, physically and emotionally recharged. Now the time has come when you will prove to others that you are best, and people who are not recognizing you will start recognizing you, and the time has come when you are going to prove others. Now once the Sadesati will end, a new Capricorn, a new fearless Capricorn will emerge. A new Capricorn with more stable mind will emerge. Saturn will toughen you up, making you unstoppable in achieving your life goals now. So for Capricorn, the coming years will be yours. So get ready and avoid excuses. Now the time has come to achieve your goals at any cost. Even after Sadesati ends, you have to be consistent in your efforts. Don't make excuses. The upcoming period will be reaping the rewards of your hard work. So avoid making excuses. If you will be suffering from pain, even you have to work hard so that Saturn will give you the rewards of that as well, because once the time will go, it is not going to come back. Always remember that. So that was all about the Capricorn Sadesati effects and what will be the impact of once the Sadesati will end. So that was all for the Capricorn. We will meet in our next videos. Till then, goodbye and God bless you always.